Hey everyone, welcome back to Affiliate Offer. Today I'll be showing you my best premium free VPN that I've been using for a while. And this is what I've been using to access the content that are not available in my region. Especially I've been using it to register accounts that are not accepted in my locale. So let's jump right into this. And in case you're new to this YouTube channel, you might be wondering what's a VPN. So basically, a VPN is a short form for virtual private network, and this is an online security service that keeps you safe by hiding your identity while you use the internet. Okay, and some VPN like the one I'm about to show you, they also offer additional services like ad blocking, parental control, and advanced threat protection. Okay. So the VPN that I'm talking about is called Privado. There's one, and they still have holiday deals, which goes for 1.48 per month, and you get the premium services. But in case you still don't have these, you still don't have this amount of cash. You can use the link in the description below, and you'll be able to get 10 GB of data that you can use the whole month. And this 10 GB, you'll be using it for free, completely free, and you'll be able to connect to 12 locations as you test this VPN before you pay for it. Okay, so use the link in the description for you to register and get that 10 GB for free today. Now, this is their premium account. What they offer is that you'll get unlimited data. You'll get connected to unlimited devices, and you can connect to over 61 cities across the world. And the best thing is that they have zero logs, so they don't keep any of the data that you've visited from any website in those websites. Okay, so for those people who have been getting accounts, especially the remote task accounts or outlier or any other account out there, if you still don't have proxies, these people have SOX 5 proxies. You can use that as well, but only that one is only available for the premium accounts, which goes as low as 1.48 per month. Okay, so if you're still looking for a VPN that you can use that is affordable, I'll advise you to try this one out. Use the link in the description and check it out. You can test it for free, and you'll get 10 GB. And for that 10 GB, you'll get the premium services that you see here. Apart from you won't be able to connect to more locations. For the free account, you'll connect to 12 locations, but the premium accounts you can connect to as many as 61 cities. For free account, you won't get SOX 5 proxies, but the premium account you'll get the SOX 5 proxies. And for premium account, they also have ad blocking, which is not available in the free account, and threat protection also is not available for the free account. But I believe that if you're looking just to connect to hide your identity online, you can use the free account and get that 10 GB that you'll be used the entire month, and you'll be able also to connect to 12 cities across the world. Okay, so use the link in the description, and in case you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. And that's it for today. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you haven't subscribed to this, for you to get more content like this one. Okay, don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be notified every time that we upload new contents like this one. Okay, so thanks for watching. Until next time, stay secure online. Bye.